Running an online business means staying on top of things, and having all your files in one easy-to-access place is definitely part of that plan. But let's be honest, getting everything organized isn't always as simple as it sounds. You might find yourself dealing with those frustrating third-party connectors just to move your files where they need to go. Or worse, you're stuck manually uploading everything yourself, which, as any business owner knows, eats up time you simply can't afford to lose. This is where the Google Drive add-on by WPForms comes in. The Google Drive add-on allows you to connect your website to your Google Drive account to automatically send user-uploaded files to a Google Drive folder each time they fill out and submit a form on your site. Once connected, you can simply go into the settings page of the form builder to access the Google Drive tab and set up your connection. You can choose to automatically create a new folder named after the form, or have the files be sent to an existing folder in Drive. By default, all files uploaded through your form's file upload field will be sent to Google Drive. But if you have multiple file upload fields, you can use the available drop-down to select a specific one to include in the connection. Once the form is submitted, you can view the submissions in the Entries page and find a link that will take you directly to the file's location in Google Drive, or you can simply log into your account to find the newly uploaded files. In just a few clicks, you can easily create a powerful connection to automatically send your customers' uploaded files to your favorite cloud storage solution without dealing with third-party connectors or a hefty price tag. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.